hate is a love. How? Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Hate is love. How? Hate is love full of anger. I'm answering your question, and in response to you saying you hate that person, you're saying that that person cheated on you and betrayed you. Dear friend, when a person feels hatred, and hatred towards the person, any person who betrayed them, they are still paying attention to that person. You kept that person inside you, inside your mind, your life. If you really want, if you really want to get out of someone, out of your mind, out of your life, out of your being, you have to be indifferent to them, whoever you hate. Don't curse, don't compliment, don't be angry, don't be upset. You have to try. You shouldn't have any of those feelings towards that person you hate. Nothing. Because all these feelings still feelings of what? Dependence. Yeah. You still have, for example, you still have that habit. You need to break it. You need to break that habit. You need to break those feelings. If you have, memories of that person, you need to create, you need to create new memories with someone new in your life and replace them. Otherwise, your whole being, your whole life will suffer. And that's true. And that's it. You absolutely, you can't make a good place for the new one. In your life, in your mind, in your heart, at all. My friend, you cannot live. It's so wrong, Neither that new person will have good experience with you, good memories with you, nor you with the new one. So you have to choose that person cheated on you, betrayed you, that person you hate. You want to keep that stupid person inside you, your mind, your life, or new person. Because it will end up somewhere bad, so bad. Yeah, think about it deeply, okay? Love you. Thanks. What do you think about hate as a love full of anger? What do you think about it? Write a comment for me, and thank you so much. Thanks for being here, supporting me. Thanks for watching my videos, listening to me. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and share it. Okay, focus on yourself, focus on your energy, and always remember there is only one you. And the important thing, no one can take your place, and also you cannot take someone else's place too. You cannot. So focus on yourself. Okay? Love you. Bye.